Okay, go. So today going to cut this thing. What is it?
We're gonna unbox a new phone.
A phone.
We got a new phone from Maxis. Yay!
Yay.
Look at that new phone.
Cannot see. Okay.
Maxis Fiber.
Okay. That's a lot of bubble wrap.
It's a Y11 Vivo Y11. See? 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 Okay.
How do you open it?
Now you open it. You gotta cut the plastic.
Alright.
I need a pen knife.
Yeah.
Alright, here's a pen knife.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Okay, done.
Dude, you shake too much. Ah, yeah. Okay.
Ta-da, da-da-da-da. Here goes.
Oh.
Not yet. Here goes. Ooh, what is inside? A little protector. And here it is. Okay, let's see. This is the new phone that we got from Maxis for 25 ringgit. You believe that or not? 25 ringgit. I'm going to save this thing. I'm not going to take it out yet. I'm going to save all this. Oh, I need to take this out of the sleeve. Oh, the phone just went down.
Oops.
Okay, so I just took it out of the sleeve, and this is the phone. Probably needs to be charged. Charger, cable, adapter to charge, and a phone. And nice empty box. Alright, so we need to charge this first. Let me see if they have. Where's the button? This is the on button. Oh, it turns on now. It's coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on. It's coming on. Voila!
I'm trying to focus. Okay. Powered by Android. Okay. What's this?
It's a protector. It's this little, what do you call that? You gotta hold it. Wow, it takes a long time for it to load. Maybe it's the first time thing, I don't know.
Fun touch. Selamat.
Fun touch, selamat datang. What is it at the bottom?
Tetapkan telefon.
Tetapkan telefon. What does that mean? Tetapkan
You
telefon.
just press it.
Oh, press it. Press it. Alright, what does it mean here? In English. Press English. Okay. Malaysia.
Next.
Malaysia. You need to press Malaysia. Alright. Yes, of course. That's kind of a dumb thing to ask. Add network. This one. Okay. Password. This one I cannot let you see. It's J. This.
Salam.
Yeah, I need alphabet. Where is the alphabet? Where is the alphabet?
Oh, this is a casing.
That's a casing.
And there's a little pin thingy here.
Yeah. Where is the
I think
keyboard?
this is like a book. Yeah, this is like a manual. Oh, it's rubber. Oh, yeah.
1 0.
Rubber.
Oh my goodness.
This is
We'll do
rubber.
again.
Rubber. box looks nice. It is 5000 mAh, 3 GB RAM. In. What is this? Oh, this is your letter. Skyline blue. It's very nice. I like the color. Let's open this. It says recycle.
Alright, it is now connecting. Connect. It is connected. Yoo-hoo!
Okay.
What is it saying? Bring your data from a backup from an Android phone. I don't have anything right now. I just want to test it. So what do you do?
I don't know. Quick start guide. Okay, welcome to Vivo.
Use your old phone to copy data wirelessly.
Here's the instruction.
I guess I can use my old phone to copy data wirelessly. Alright, I'm going to take my old phone. Here's my old phone.
Okay, so that's all for this unboxing video. Bye bye.